All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So here is the big dilemma that we were concerned about over the weekend. Got it taken care of. It wasn't that big a deal. Probably took like 30 to 45 minutes. Nick helped me out a little bit. So I went ahead and took some of these suggestions from someone that also is an electrician from Canada. Shout out. I'm going to put your name on the screen because I forgot to look it up a second ago. So I'm going to throw your name up on the screen. Thanks for all the suggestions. I used a bunch of them. Cut the wire closer to the wall right here. I took it off the rack, cut a new hole, and then also dove into the wall earlier and grinded out some new holes. Anyways, moving on from there, got another couple of rooms done, pulled of home runs, and also got the rest of the feeders landed in. Besides that one room, like I said last week, there's that one material lift room, so that's getting skipped. So there's a total 4.5 rooms done, or needed to be done this morning. Got 2 completely done, and then starting working on the third one today when I left early to go to my house walkthrough. So that was a big success. Check out that video. I just uploaded it. Anyways, here's the second room that we did today with the home runs. And then the last 2 rooms are ginormous. And the last half room will be taken care of, I believe, because I think they finished the walls. Just starting that third room here in a second. Here's the feeders that I also landed after I fixed that bad one this morning. So didn't have a problem cutting those, just basically unraveled the giant MC just so I didn't have to cut it or accidentally damage it again. So that was nice. And here are the feeders in the third room that we were working on. And then I have a special surprise for you. My apprentice is making an appearance for the first time, so here's a word from him.
Shout out to all the material handlers and apprentices.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that little segment from Nick. That's my apprentice. He is, I forget his age, he's either 3 to 7 years older than me. He's a older fella a little bit, so we have a good time every day, so at least I think so. So anyways, good times with Nick. So yep, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like, subscribe. See you guys back here in the next one. If you guys want to see some more appearances from Nick, let me know. If you want me to do like a Q&A with him, or have him like, I don't know, do some kind of like electrical video or something like that, or have him explain anything, or have him explain like a walkthrough at the end of the day, let me know. I can make it happen. Anyways, that's gonna do it. Check the description for anything else, social media, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Don't forget to check out the house video today because it's a big one. It's good news, and it's already up and online and live. So anyways, check that out. That'll do it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.